Zebras have a striped pattern on their bodies to help them camouflage in the grasslands. Camouflage is when an animal blends in with its background so it can't be seen easily.
Hello, Zain. I don't think you'll be able to camouflage very well today. You are black and pink. What happened? I see. You have sunburn. Did you spend too long in the sun?
Going outside in the sunshine is lovely, but we must remember to protect ourselves from sunlight by wearing a hat and putting on sun cream.
You look outside and it's a sunny day. You can't wait to go out and play. But just be careful when it gets too hot. You should get out of the sun. Get out of the sun. Get out of the sun. Slip into the shade. Get out of the sun and sip some lemonade. Get out of the sun. Put on some sunblock. Get out of the sun when it gets too hot. Zain, I know you like to spend your days on the savannah where you like to graze, but every now and then you need to take a break and get out of the sun. Get out of the sun. Get out of the sun. Slip into the shade. Get out of the sun and sip some lemonade. Get out of the sun. Put on some sunblock. Get out of the sun when it gets too hot. Just be careful when it gets too hot. You should get out of the sun. Cha-cha-cha.
So next time, Zain, take a break in the shade and remember to protect yourself from the hot sun. Robbo, could we give Zain some sun protection, please? That's better. Take care in the sun, please, Zain. Who's next?
Cheetahs are the fastest animals on land. They can run at a speed of 70 miles per hour, which is as fast as a car on the motorway. And they can reach that top speed in just 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3.
Hello, Asher. How can we help you? I think I can see the problem. Have you been out running today, Asher? I think you have been running so fast you've given yourself a blister on your paw. It will get better on its own with some rest, but I think we had better protect it with a plaster too.
Plasters can help our bodies to heal themselves. By covering the sore area, it protects it and keeps it clean so it gets better faster. Which plaster would you like, Asher? Red? Green? Blue? Yellow? Or orange?
Does that feel better? I would slow down a little though. We are going to help Issa, the hyena, Lulu, the oxpecker, and Shaka, the rhino. Come on, Robbo, let's go.
Dr. Poppy on safari, off to help animals in need. Elephants, lions, giraffes and zebras, and the monkeys in the trees.
Issa is a spotted hyena. Hyenas like to hunt in groups, and their teeth and jaws are so strong and powerful that they can bite straight through bone.
there, Issa. It looks to me like you have a bad case of the hiccups. What brought this on? That really was quite funny. You must have laughed so much it gave you hiccups. And now you've got the giggles too. If Issa can stop laughing, then I'm sure that the hiccups will stop too.
Having hiccups can be a bit annoying, but they go away on their own after a little while.
That's right. Try and take a deep breath, Issa. Oh dear, that didn't work.
Boo! Sorry, Issa. Sometimes a shock helps to get rid of hiccups.
Well done, Robbo. I think that has done the trick. Do you feel better now, Issa? Now, let's head off to help Lulu, the oxpecker. Here we are.
Lulu is an oxpecker bird. These birds are also known as tick birds because they like to eat the tiny insects that live on the backs of other animals.
Lulu, you seem to have damaged your wing. Does it hurt? You poor thing. At least you can still move it, so we know it's not broken. But I think it is sprained, so you will need to rest it so it can get better. Robbo, do we have a sling?
A sling is a folded piece of material that is used to hold an arm or wing still. The arm rests inside the sling so that it can heal properly.
Is that more comfortable, Lulu? Good. Remember to rest as much as you can. Now, it's time for our last patient, Shaka the rhino. Look, here he comes.
Rhinos are enormous. They are covered in thick skin as tough as a suit of armour, and even though they only eat plants, they can grow to the size of a large car.
Hello, Shaka. What seems to be the problem? Goodness, something is making you very itchy, isn't it? Let's have a look and see. Robbo, magnifying glass, please.
I'm afraid you have little insects called ticks on your skin, Shaka. They are on your back and behind your ears.
I know you can't reach back there to get the ticks, Shaka, but don't worry. I think I know someone who can help. Oh, Lulu! Could you come here, please? Shaka, meet Lulu. She needs to rest while her wing gets better. Lulu, meet Shaka. He could really use your help with a tick problem. Perfect! I think those two are going to be great friends.
When you're the best of friends, you don't need to be the same. In fact, it helps to blend all your differences together. Together you can reach higher or lower. Together you can move faster or slower. Togetherness makes you stronger and better. We're very different, but we do things together.
Crocodiles have been around since the dinosaur times, and they are very good hunters and swimmers. They also have excellent night vision, which means they can see in the dark.
Now, Dahlia, I hope you're going to behave yourself. No biting, please. What seems to be the problem today? Oh dear, you have a splinter. That should be quite easy to fix. I'm surprised a friend didn't pull it out for you.
Lots of other animals are scared of crocodiles. They are very strong predators with powerful jaws and sharp teeth. Maybe they didn't realise you needed help.
Ah, yes. I see why you came to us, Dahlia. Don't worry. We'll remove your splinter. Robbo, the tweezers, please.
Tweezers are used to grab hold of something small, like a splinter, so that you can pull it out easily.
Now, hold still for me, please, Dahlia. You're being very brave. There you go, as good as new. Helping animals is what we're here for. It's been another busy day for us on safari. I'm so glad that we could help Issa, Lulu and Sheka. Join me and Robbo next time as we help more animals.
Bye!